Here it comes. Oh, shit.
Appreciate you coming out here. It was a pleasure. And of course,
Dang, we're both on the same shit. That's
You ready or what?
we'll see.
Yeah?
We'll see. See if you're ready.
I'm ready.
I hope so.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where's Diego? I have a great challenge for us today.
What's that?
I have to wait until Diego shows up.
Frank's over here, but I don't know where Diego's at. I haven't
Frank
seen
is
him
also
already.
not here.
Oh, there's
Frank's
stuff this year.
new Z did not pass tech.
Oh, what?
Ooh.
How do you fail tech at Lonestar? That's extra bad.
Ooh. You already signed up for comp?
I mean, I don't think the number one leader in Texas Street Legal needs to sign up for comp. I think it's just known.
That's not what I heard. That's not what I heard. Not about last time. You got lucky.
Is this thing ready or what? What are you gonna drive today?
I'm driving this one today. I'll drive that one tomorrow. So we'll see.
So
we'll see
you
that.
brought 2 Z's.
Pretty much.
That is true.
1.75 Z's. Hey, what did it make on the dyno?
I don't want to talk about it. The ECU costs more than the car.
Yeah, I made 260, 234. Something like that.
That's what my lawnmower makes.
Rudy,
What?
you know Brian has a drift and drag sticker on his thing?
Yeah, I got first
Yeah.
place there, by the way.
The first drag queen?
Yeah.
You do make a cute girl. So this, guys, is what third place looks like.
You're gonna make him cry. Watch out.
I've never seen Rudy in Street Legal win before besides the other round.
Dang.
Where's your Street Legal season winning, buddy?
That's all in Pro-Am. This
Where's
is my
your
first
Pro-Am
year.
car?
I don't need it.
You ran out of money?
Yes. Actually? Alright, so I have a little game if you guys want to play.
Okay.
You have to say yes to the game if you want to play, though.
We gotta know what the game is first.
No.
He's staring at me and his face just went so serious. Like, if you don't say yes, you're gonna ruin this video.
What if I say no? Just walk away.
Then that's it. Then I remember
Video's
the video of
over.
it.
Video's over. Goodbye. Yes, I agree to your game.
Okay, the first game is rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Alright? On 1, 2, 3, we shoot.
How do we three-way rock, paper, scissors?
Hold on, what are we
Because
what
we'll
are we
knock one
shooting
out.
here?
If we tie one, the other one that lost is
What are we
shoots up.
shooting here? Let me pull my strap. Watch out. Hit y'all with the strap check right quick.
Black.
You want
Yeah.
in or what?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. 1, 2,
Three, shoot.
Wait,
Wait,
What
hold
the
on.
fuck are y'all doing?
1, 2, 3, and then go on.
On
shoot,
shoot.
right?
Rock,
1,
paper,
2,
scissors,
3,
and shoot.
shoot.
Yeah,
Okay.
shoot, throw
You
it.
never played
Okay.
this before?
Okay. No.
You invented it.
No, Aaron invented it. Alright. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Oh, we're all in. We're all in.
That's it.
Like, another one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What the fuck? Wow.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm out.
Alright, I choose Diego's car. Alright? One more time. Yep, follow along with me. I choose Diego's car. You ready?
Okay.
Once again.
I feel like we're about to switch cars.
Yes.
You can win in your own car?
No, not right now. Just a tandem. Right now, we'll go all three of us.
Okay.
Whoever wins right now, whoever loses right now has to lead. Has to lead in the
Okay.
3-car tandem train.
In a different car.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got Diego's. That means y'all are. Wait, that means. I don't know.
You have Diego, and Diego should get. Oh, yeah, actually, y'all
You
can't
guys can
pull
fight
this
it
off.
out who gets my car. Because I don't know if I want a DE.
Damn.
So-
Oh, I don't give a fuck. I'll drive anything.
We know you will. You drive a DE.
Yeah, and I'm still
Says
fuck
the
y'all up.
FRS owner.
Hey, you got the #1 spot last weekend.
3 of them.
Yeah. Watch out.
Wait, no,
you on him.
No, he has to drive my car. You have to drive his car. Because then he'd be stuck in his own car. Alright, so whoever loses has to lead the tandem.
Between me and you loses, or between me and
All
him.
three of us.
I'll just lead.
No. What?
That's not as
Play the
fun.
game.
Play the game.
It's all part
One,
of the
two,
game.
Paper,
three,
scissors,
shoot.
shoot.
It's looking like the podium.
Yeah, I already
It's looking
told you
like. Oh god. Alright, podium
Stage.
decided.
Third place, yes.
Yeah, I'm good on that.
Alright. Whoever gets this one gets sandwiched. Whoever loses.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, that means my car gets sandwiched.
Yes. You guys down?
I guess so.
All right.
How many laps? Or
Just one.
Fuck off?
Just one.
Okay.
Just one.
We
First
gotta
lap
put gas
season.
in this real quick.
What?
I didn't fucking put gas in it.
You did an alignment yesterday.
So, didn't put gas in it.
Oh my god.
I tell you what's wrong with it. They ain't got no gas in it.
As usual, I'm waiting on my opponents to show up because I'm always first. Oh look, here's second place now.
Oh wait, damn it! I don't know if I can fit. Out. There we go. I'm gonna roll up the windows, let the heat roll on full blast. I turned on the heater.
What's up, second place? What happened?
I turned on the heater so then when he gets in it, rolled up the windows. Oh shit!
What's up? We doing this?
Yeah, we're doing it.
Doing the thing.
This is the one lapper. The rock paper scissors one lapper.
One lap wonder.
Yeah, this is a one lap wonder. You ready or what?
I think so.
I got it all warmed up for you.
All right.
All right, let's go.
I get the red one.
Yeah, you get the. Oh god, let's roll.
Alright.
Wait, what the door handle doesn't even.
I leave the AC on the whole run.
Yeah.
Whatever, it's your car. Let's get in this wet noodle of the car. What in the hell?
Alright.
Look at all the.
What is going on
Is this
here?
supposed to be here or there? Oh god.
Look at that.
What? Oh god. No, I did not. Oh my god. Where did that thing come from? I'm in the middle.
I'm now regretting this decision to come and help film. This is a bad idea.
Where is half of this car?
all y'all booby trapped each other. This is
I
it.
gave the best car possible.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle. Hey!
The frog is pretty good though.
No, it's really. Wait, how am I? Am I in last? Oh,
I don't know what they're saying. We got hand signals happening.
Oh god.
Is he getting between us? He's second, isn't he?
Oh, he's gonna back into you.
Hi.
Let's start together. Go.
I thought you were gonna back into your own car. That would have been hilarious.
The e-brake just fades.
Nice. Oh no! That was so fast. It's over already. Damn it. Oh no! Ah! The frog went splat. Oh,
So straight.
that was a disaster.
What a video.
Well,
What a video, man.
I'm sorry. That was Brian's.
what happened, Nez?
So.
That was definitely Brian's fault, though.
Well, that didn't last long.
Oh, R.I.P.
What? They both went 4 up.
Yeah, but if they both zeroed on their chases, they probably, or their leads, they probably measured the chases. I don't know.
Oh, that's so loud.
What?
What?
Stop sign.
We got first place.
First loser.
Ah! First is the worst.
Flip a
Rudy.
coin on second.
First is the worst, Rudy.
First is the
Second
worst.
is the best.
Tell them about second. Anyways,
Shambo for it.
we each
We're
have
race
won
on
an
foot.
event so far,
I got you.
and we're
I got shoes.
talking shit to see who wins.
I'm knocking Rudy out.
You're knocking me out?
Records or checkers?
Oh, and then on top of all this, we have now entered Forrest Wing in the battle of first place, and he is in the red car. So, what? Yeah?
Big wing.
That's not true. And you know what's gonna be funny? Is I prefer his car over your car.
That's valid. My car's a wet noodle.
Your car has like so much front end stuff, like it's insane.
My car just works.
Yeah, your car's just like smooth like mine, but I don't know how you hated mine.
Your car is not.
My car is smooth. My car is buttery.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I'll let you drive it later.
What, your car?
Yeah.
My dad said he liked it.
See?
Bun, what are you doing?
Bun, you lost.
He said his dad liked it and his dad just spun.
Oh, your dad was shit earlier.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was like, it was smooth with it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Clutch kickers did him some wonders.
Clutch kickers?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I think something to do with not worrying about the people there because they don't know them.
Yeah.
I told him to do third and Z. It doesn't like second.
Was that English? Hey, yeah, you can do good, but also, oh god. They started with, oh my god, who's gonna get it? Woo! Second place is about to be announced. I don't even know. I don't even know right now.
That was pretty good.
That was f***ing good. I don't know what you're doing with the DE and an extra person. Yeah! All right, so as I said before, 1, 2.
No. Hold on. Hey, we're about to battle for 1 or 2, so we're about to decide who wants it the most.
Oh yeah, no, it's 100% who wants it the most. I don't know what I want, but I want it the most.
Well, I want it more.
There goes the loser in 3rd or 4th. Who knows? Who knows?
He wants to lose the most. That's what he wants.
Oh god.
I'm gonna pack you. I'm gonna send you driving back home.
I'm gonna ask him if he's gonna get 3rd. Oh wait, go ask him if he's about to get 3rd or 4th. What's that? Is this a 3rd or a 4th place type thing? Oh. Good. That was like a good battle though.
I feel like they should have one more timed it, but the judges thought
I didn't watch. I mean, I watched, but I don't have visual proximity. But Bradley over here beamed the shit out of me.
Yeah.
But he did have an awesome lead run. So, anyways, carry on, boys.
Amazing driving to all the drivers. I'll take that one. It's an all Z party again, like normal. We have Diego in his green frog car, Rudy, who's currently leading in points, Mr. Cook in his purple car, and Mr. Horn in his red car. 2 DEs and 2 HRs. That one's actually a 3.7. Absolutely fantastic driving, everybody. Very, very aggressive. There was a bunch of really aggressive runs today. Vanessa had the scariest, most aggressive one of everybody, I think. And then Mr. Cook slammed Rudy. How bad was it?
Oh, it's a whole door.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
We'll worry about that later.
Okay, so in 4th place, we have Mr. Cook. In 3rd place, Mr. Horn. And who thinks Diego got first? Who thinks Rudy got first? In 1st place, we have Rudy Martinez.
All my bullshit talking. Wait until next week.
It's gonna be a long flight to Japan.
Rudy is going to be pretty far in advance now. Good job, Rudy.
No, we're all stacked.
Are you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're 1, 2, 3.
But aren't you even
He's 7 points ahead of me.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Now you're
and
19.
Brian was tied.
So now you're maybe like 20 something points.
Yeah. No, it's still.
That's a good race. Good job.
so close to getting the second one.
Cheers. Very impressive driving.
Hey, everybody.
Nice job, you bunch of delinquents. A camera phone. Freaking Nez.
Bradley's girlfriend's got it.
It's a video.
Shout out to Bun Bun, he did really great.
Bun Bun ran great! Also, and I was like, wait, where'd he go? Fuck! I know. I was like, all right. Live, laugh, love, everyone.
And penis.
And peanut. P9. What did you say? 3rd is the saltiest. 3rd is the saltiest. Other than that, this should make for one of the best videos of HPA. I also recorded a lot.
We're putting HPA on the map.
Yeah, Texas Street Legal.
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right, we're out.